everyone, this is me Aakif. Today we are going to learn about parts of car. Okay, so let's see. This is my car, and what is there in this car? There are, I'll show you. This is expired tire. Okay, if any tire damaged the time, I can take it, then I can put here. Okay, then this is door, this is open, and this is also a door. Okay, and then this is the light of my car. Okay, these two lights are there in my car, and this is parts. I can't show you what is there in this parts because I can't open this one, and I'll show you a seat and back seat. There are 5 seats in this car, 5 seats. Front is 2 seats and back is 3 seats. Okay, then it's trying FM song. FM means song. Then the glass of my car, this glass, roof. Then the brake, accelerator. Then the front, this glass, and some box are there in this car. Okay, then I'll show you this. These are wheel. Okay, wheel. There are 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this is the thing. This is I tell this one. I said this one like engine. It's come from this engine, and it's come here, and it is like this. Look, it is working like this. Okay, it's work like this. Then I'll show you other things. Then and this, yeah. We can't open the dicky like this car. And there are no dicky, but like this car, there dicky. But like me, no, and there are no dicky. Okay, and I showed you the exporter. Then I'll show you some parts. Some. Okay, and I hope you guys will learn something from this video. Bye bye.